Why tonight is a good night to get outside and take a look at our moon. Plus, I'll have all your weather details later on in the programme. Been sent into my inbox a lovely picture. He's fully grown because he is 17 years old and he's an American miniature horse who obviously has a very lovely bond with his owner. Gradually darken as it goes into the Earth's shadow before eventually turning a reddish colour. That time for us it's likely that we'll see sort of 90% of it being covered, and the time when it starts to become visible is just around after 5 a.m. The peak for us to see will then be at 6:20 in the morning, and then you have got another 10 minutes or so before the moon sets. It's after that time that it becomes a total eclipse, that we don't quite get to see all of it. And the best way to see it is to look west towards the horizon. You can just see it with your eyes, but if you have a pair of binoculars as well, that will help. And we've got to cross our fingers for some good weather for that as well. Taking a look at the picture across the UK and for us in the Channel Islands, we're likely to have occasional clear spells. So fingers crossed, we will have a gap in the clouds when we can see that. Just tonight, feeling not very warm at all because we are into a cooler air mass, so just 1 to 2 degrees just above freezing, and we are expecting a ground frost as well. So definitely be getting your layers on, your coats and your scarves. But if you are an early riser, what a lovely opportunity to see some interesting activity in our night skies. Let's get all the weather details now. Here's your forecast. Well, we have had some sunshine at times today and some blue skies here and there, but also some showers, even some hail at times, and some cloudy periods as well. It's just been a bit hit or miss as to whether you've been unlucky enough to be hit by those showers or not. And as we head overnight and into tomorrow, it is really the same theme with our weather. A few showers around here and there and some bright spells as well. And then once we get through sort of Saturday morning, that's when things should be drying out for a time. It is going to be cold tonight as well, so we can expect some frost overnight and still cool in the day over the next few days with that northerly breeze bringing in some colder air. So back to you tonight then. We're going to have a mixture of clear periods and some cloudy spells. There are some showers, there could be some hail, so that may well wake you up rattling on your roofs tonight once again. And the winds are going to be dropping right down tonight just to a light breeze, a cold night in store with minimums there just above freezing, 1 or 2 degrees, which means we are expecting a ground frost as well. So heading into tomorrow, it's a bit of a repeat situation, likely quite cloudy in the morning with some of those showers around. But as we head throughout the day, we'll see that cloud breaking up to give us some brightness and some sunnier conditions into the afternoon, with the showers drying out as well. Actually, once we get through the morning, you'd be unlucky to be hit by one of those, but still a good idea to bring an umbrella just in case. And still feeling cold tomorrow, highs of 8 to 9 degrees, so a few degrees below the average with a light to moderate breeze coming in from that northeasterly direction. Let's get our times of high water then, between 6:30 and 7:30 in the morning, later on between 7 and 8 p.m. with the sea temperature just below 9 degrees. So moving through the week, we have got high pressure moving in, and that's why the risk of showers isn't very high. There's a few of them around, but they will be sort of gradually dying out once we get through Saturday morning to give us some brightness in the afternoon and a cloudy but drier day on Sunday.